Welcome to English with Anna. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jack.
Before we begin,
We want to ask you something.
what if tonight you could relax and improve your English at the same time?
No difficult lessons. No tests. No pressure.
Just listening
Just relaxing.
and letting English become part of your evening.
So find a comfortable place
Put your phone down if you can.
and let's begin.
Imagine this. It's early evening.
The sun is starting to disappear.
The air feels calm.
And for the first time today, you have nowhere to rush.
No messages, no deadlines.
Just a quiet moment.
You decide to go outside.
No destination. Just walking.
As you walk, you notice small things.
The sound of leaves moving.
Someone laughing in the distance.
A bicycle passing quietly.
Warm lights inside houses.
The world suddenly feels slower.
Then you see something interesting. A small cafe.
It looks ordinary, but something makes you stop.
You decide to go inside.
The door opens. Warm air.
Soft music.
The smell of coffee.
A quiet place.
Nobody seems in a hurry.
You find a seat near the window.
Then you notice something unusual. Every table has a small card.
You pick one up. It says, if you could learn one thing instantly, what would it be?
Interesting question.
You think, maybe a language,
Maybe music.
maybe confidence.
Or maybe speaking English naturally.
You smile. Because maybe learning isn't about becoming perfect.
Maybe it's about becoming comfortable.
Small practice. Repeat quietly. I am improving. I enjoy learning. Small progress matters. Again, small progress matters. You finish your drink and continue walking. The streets become quieter. The sky becomes darker. You realize something. You've been listening to English without translating, without forcing yourself, just understanding. You keep walking, and then you discover a small bookshop. Warm lights, wooden shelves, hundreds of books. You slowly walk inside. One book catches your attention. The title says, Things People Learn Too Late. You open the first page and read. Most people wait until they feel ready. You stop, because maybe that sounds familiar. Waiting to feel confident. Waiting to feel perfect. Waiting for the right moment. But what if progress starts before confidence? Repeat softly.
I can improve.
I do not need perfection.
Practice helps me grow.
You leave the bookshop.
And continue walking.
Suddenly, you find a quiet bench
You sit down.
and look at the sky.
A few stars appear.
The city feels peaceful.
Here's a question. If nothing could stop you, what would you do?
Travel?
Start something new?
Speak more confidently?
Think about it quietly.
Now imagine a future version of yourself,
More relaxed.
more confident,
Smiling more.
thinking less,
Speaking naturally.
not because everything became easy.
But because you kept going. English practice. Repeat after us. I enjoy learning.
I trust the process.
I am becoming better.
I can do difficult things.
The evening becomes darker.
You stand up
And begin walking home.
slowly,
Calmly.
and you notice one more thing. You feel lighter,
More peaceful.
more present.
Before we finish,
We want to ask one final question. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. You understand more English.
you speak more naturally.
You feel more confident.
What helped you improve?
One big moment?
Or many small moments?
Most of the time, small steps change everything.
Remember this. You do not need perfect English.
You only need consistency.
A little every day.
One conversation,
One episode.
one step at a time. Before you rest tonight, repeat quietly. I am improving every day.
English is becoming easier.
I enjoy the journey.
I believe in myself. If you listened until the end, thank you for being here.
If you enjoyed this relaxing English podcast, subscribe to English with Anna.
New episodes every week. Easy English, real conversations, calm listening practice.
And before you go, here's today's question. If you could improve one English skill instantly, which one would it be?
Speaking? Listening? Vocabulary? Or pronunciation?
Tell us in the comments.
Rest well.
Keep learning.
And we'll see you in the next episode of English with Anna. Good night.